Is your 2008 Honda Accord's alarm randomly going off? This frustrating issue affects many owners, but the good news is it's usually caused by one of three common problems that you can diagnose yourself. The most common culprit is a faulty door switch. These magnetic switches can fail due to corrosion or wear after 15 years. To test them, set your alarm and then open each door one at a time. If a specific door immediately triggers the alarm, you found your problem. The hood latch sensor is another frequent troublemaker. This sensor detects unauthorized hood opening, but can trigger false alarms if it's misaligned or dirty. Check that the sensor is properly aligned with the latch mechanism and clean any debris from the area. Finally, key fob synchronization problems can cause alarm issues. If your remote doesn't consistently arm or disarm the system, especially after a battery replacement or dead car battery, the fob may need resynchronization with the vehicle's security system. By systematically testing each component, doors, hood latch, and key fob, you can identify the source of your alarm problems. Most issues stem from door switches, but checking all three areas ensures you find the real culprit and avoid unnecessary repairs.